Fertility 121, clearing the air around fertility conversations. Let's talk. Today's conversation is on surrogacy with Dr. Gajendra Singh Tomar, a renowned fertility and IVF specialist at Indore Infertility Clinic. Doctor, can you explain the process of surrogacy? Like, how is this legal process of surrogacy done according to the Surrogacy Regulation Act?
The intending couple basically has to obtain 4 documents. And so if we list these documents, the first document is that the intending couple require surrogacy as a treatment and that it is essential for them to undergo surrogacy. And that certificate is basically issued by the district medical board. So that's one certificate that has to be obtained by the intending couple. The second document is regarding the surrogate, which states that the surrogate is medically and psychologically fit to undergo surrogacy. So that is a fitness certificate of the surrogate, which is issued by a registered medical practitioner, preferably your gynecologist or the ART specialist who is working at the surrogacy clinic. So these 2 documents are the first that you need. First is for the intending couple, second is for the surrogate. The third document that will be required is an insurance, which will be issued by an insurance company which is approved by the central regulatory authorities, and this insurance has to be for a period of 36 months. The fourth document that is required is what is known as an order of parentage. This order of parentage is issued by the district magistrate, and in every district there are magistrates which have been specifically appointed for this purpose. So your surrogacy clinic will be able to let you know which particular bench of the court has to be approached to obtain this order of parentage. So the 4 documents that are required are: one for the intending couple, which necessitates surrogacy. The second is the medical and the psychological fitness certificate of the surrogate. The third is the insurance, and the fourth is the order of parentage. Now, with these 4 documents, the intending couple will approach or will submit an application to the district appropriate authority. Once the 4 documents are submitted to the district appropriate authority, the district appropriate authority verifies those documents and issues certificate of essentiality and certificate of eligibility. After the certificate of essentiality and certificate of eligibility have been issued by the district appropriate authority, the intending couple has to submit all these documents to the state surrogacy board, and the state surrogacy board will then issue a recommendation letter which will allow them to proceed with surrogacy.
All this seems very complicated. So, how much time does this entire process of surrogacy application take?
So, obtaining the 4 documents that are to be submitted to the district appropriate authority usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Issuance of the 2 certificates by the district appropriate authority usually takes another 4 to 8 weeks. So, if you're talking about rough estimates, probably 2 to 3 months to obtain the essentiality and eligibility certificates from the district appropriate authority is roughly the time frame that you should consider. State boards don't meet very often, and until the process is streamlined, I think you should give yourself at least another 2 to 3 months for the letter of recommendation to be obtained from the state board. So from beginning your process of surrogacy to obtaining your surrogacy recommendation letter, should give yourself at least 4 to 6 months. However, as more and more applications are processed and as awareness regarding the issuance of these certificates and the formalities, as all the awareness increases, most probably the time taken to obtain the letter of recommendation will shorten in days to come.